सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। पेज नंबर 55, श्लोका नंबर 51। अतएव द्वितीयत्वम् शून्यवत् न हि गण्यते। न लोके चैत्र तच्छक्त्योः जीवितं लिख्यते पृथक्। While analyzing the Chandogya mantra, Sadeva Somya idamagra asit ekamevadvitiyam. That mantra says there was only Brahman, Sat Brahman, Agre Asit, before the creation. After the creation, the Maya manifest. Before the creation, Maya was there, but it was in unmanifest form. Now the controversy is here. The Purva Pakshi says, Maya is so powerful, it makes a person to perform all activities. How can you deny that Maya? So you have to count that Maya also. Vedantin says that Maya is not countable. You cannot count it. Because Maya comes under Mithya. Maya comes under Mithya. Mithya entity should not be counted. Mithya entity should not be counted. Even though in Upanishads Maya word is not used, Vidyaranya introduced that Maya here, and he gives the description of Maya. What is the Lakshanam or description of Maya? He was explaining from the previous verses. Maya is not separately existing differently from Brahman. Maya is not an independent entity. Maya is not Swatantram, not independent entity means Maya is not Swatantraha. This is the first Lakshanam of Maya. Maya is Paratantraha, depend always on Brahman. This is the first feature of Maya. Paratantraha, dependently existing, not separately existing. Since Maya is not separately existing, not differently existing, therefore can you say Maya is identical with Brahman? Second point we say, Maya is not identical with Brahman also. Maya is not different from Brahman, first point. Maya is not identical also. Identical means same. Maya is not same as Brahman. Maya is not identical. Third point, suppose can we take Maya as a part of Brahman? As a part of Brahman. That also is not possible. You cannot take Maya as a part of Brahman also. Part means avayavam. Like in our body we have a lot of avayavams. Hand is part of me, leg is part of me, head is part of me. Like that, Maya is a part of Brahman. That also you cannot take, because Brahman niravayavaha. Niravayavatvat Maya Brahmanaha avayamaha na bhavitum shakyate. Since Brahman is partless, Maya cannot be the part of Brahman. Why? If part is there, that part always afflict the whole. Somewhere, some little finger, something happens, it affects the whole person. Somewhere in stomach, small pain, it affects the person not to come to class. Whole personality, disturbed. Therefore, part always affects the whole. Therefore, Brahman is not affected by anything, niravayavatvat. Therefore, Maya cannot be the part of Brahman. So, 3 points ruled out. Then what is Maya? Sat, Asat, Vilakshanam. It is Sadasat Vilakshanam. It is neither pure Sat, pure existence like Brahman, nor pure non-existence like Kudarai Kombu. Asat you cannot say. Asadapi vaktum na shakyate, sad iti api na vaktum shakyate. Tasmat sadasat vilakshanam. It is different from Sat and Asat. Sadasat vilakshanam Maya. Whatever sadasat vilakshanam is mithya, uncountable. So Maya is mithya, superimposed upon Brahman. Then what is the function of Maya? Maya helps Brahman to produce the creation. Maya helps Brahman to produce the creation, to manifest the Nama, Rupa. Maya helps. Maya cannot do by itself. Maya helps. Helper is always not a owner. Helper, your servant is not owner. Owner is using the servant, helper. Okay, Maya is like a servant, helper. Brahman is like a owner who is using the Maya helper. For what? For creative purpose, creation purpose. Therefore, you cannot count Maya as second one, Dvitiyatvam. Second one you cannot count. Just as Chaitra, Tat Shaktyoho. Tat Shaktyoho means manifestation of power of Chaitraha. Chaitra is different. Chaitra person. Power is different. You cannot count. When you are writing his Jivitam, na likhyate, is when you are writing his biography of Chaitra Purushaha, you cannot count two. Chaitraha, power, both are one and the same. They are not two entities. Therefore, in Mandukya also, Gaudapada says, Ajam, Anidram, Aswapnam, Anamakam, Rupakam. So, this Brahman is birthless, Aswapnam, Nama Rupam are not there really in Brahman. Nama Rupa belongs to Maya. They are not real. They are not real. Seemingly real. Okay. Sadasad Vilakshana means what? It is neither non-existent or real, but seemingly real. Not truly real. Unreal means, see, unreal ki non-existence ki difference we have to see here. The Vidyaranya wants to say seemingly existent, you have to say. That is why Sadasat Vilakshana seemingly existent. Seemingly existent, that Maya, unreal ki non-existence, what is the difference? Last class I made one statement. Satchet na badhyeta, asatchet na pratiyeta. If it is real, absolutely real, it can never be negated. Satchet, it is truly existent, really existent. If it is, you can never negate. Dreamer is real, absolutely. Can you negate the dreamer? Dreamer will continue along with you. The dreamer will come along with you to the class if it is real. Na badhyeta satchet. Parantu badhyeta, dreamer disappears. DD. Dreamer disappears. Therefore, dreamer is not Sat. Why? Because of disappearance. Satchet na badhyeta. Maya also like that only. Rope snake. Snake is Sat na badhyeta. Badhyeta means negatable. Na badhyeta means unnegatable. If it is real, it is unnegatable. Our rope snake is negatable or unnegatable? Negatable. Therefore, it is not Sat. Satchet na badhyeta. Then second statement, asat chet, if it is totally non-existence, dreamer at all is not there at all, na pratiyeta, I would have not experienced. Totally non-existence. Dreamer illave ille. Sarpaha nasti, not at all there. If you say, I would have not seen there. If it is not there totally. Dreamer, I would have not experienced the dreamer yesterday. Dreams, dream objects, I would have not experienced. So therefore, pratitihi means experience. Asatchet na pratiyeta. If it is totally non-existent, I would have not experienced. So dreamer state I have experienced, dream objects I have experienced. Therefore, it is not asat. Asat chet na pratiyeta. Similarly, Maya Jagat is badhyam, is negatable. This Jagat is negatable. But pratiti is there. Asat you cannot say. Sat also you cannot say. This Jagat, Sat you cannot say, Asat you cannot say. It is absolutely existent word you cannot say. Because Jnana Kale Badhyate. The reality of the world is negated. Jnana Kale. Once you get Atma Jnanam, the reality of the world is negated. But the experience of the world is not negated. Listen carefully. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்கே, கொஞ்சம் நேரம் அப்படியே டூர் பண்ணிட்டு வரேன் சுவாமினி, டி நகர் அண்ணா நகர்ன்னு சொன்னக்காதுங்க. இங்கே தான் வேதாந்தமே இருக்கு. What is that? If world is real, you cannot negate the world. According to Vedanta, Jagat is mithya, Brahman is satyam. Unnegatable Brahman, absolutely Sat. World is negatable, Mithya. Mithya means what? It is neither totally existent nor totally non-existent. Like Shunyam. Shunyam is totally non-existent. Kudurai Kombu Madri. Shunyam. That's why we are not Shunyavadins. We are not Shunyavadis like Buddhists. Why? We never accept Shunyam. That is the difference between unreality and Shunyatva. Shunyamanna voidness, totally empty, nothingness. Unreality ki nothingness ki difference we have to understand. Unreality is that which appears, but on inquiry it disappears. Unreality is that which appears, but on inquiry it disappears. Whereas non-existence, Shunyam, is never experienced. Shunyam is never experienced. Where is the question of talking unreal? Shunyam is not there at all. How can you experience Shunyam? So, unreality is not non-existence. Non-existence is not unreal. Non-existence, unreal, how can you talk about Shunyam, unreal? Shunyam, nothingness. Nothingness patti pesha mudiyuma. That's why nothingness we don't accept. Puriyada? But this shloka, atayeva dvitiyatvam shunyavat nahi ganyate. Shunyavat nahi ganyate. Shunyamani cholala. Eppadi shunyamanadu nee count panna mudiyado, adi madri in the maya ke dvitiyatvam also you cannot count. Adi varakke eduthukanum. This is a very important subtle difference here. Unreal and non-existence are differentiated here. What we know, unreal thing can be compared to non-existence. Unreal thing can be compared to non-existent. Not non-existent it is. That is Shunyatavat. Very subtle point. Unreal thing can be compared to a non-existent thing. Unreal thing cannot be taken as non-existent. Unreal thing can be compared to non-existent. Shunyavat dvitiyatvam na ganyate. Like Shunyam, how you cannot count. Similarly, this Maya power, Shakti also you cannot count separately. Appadiye thavare, unreal thing cannot be taken as non-existent. Okay, whole Vedanta is here. ரொம்ப subtle. Unreal thing can be compared to a non-existence. You can compare with Shunyam. Shunyam எப்படி கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியாதோ அதே மாதிரி இதையும் கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி can you say this unreal thing also Shunyam? You cannot take this unreal as a non-existent. Shunyavat dvitiyatvam na ganyate parantu nasti iti na vaktum shakyate. So there is a lot of difference. Na loke chaitravat shaktyoho. In the world, loke, in the world, vyavahara, chaitravat shakti. The person, chaitra person, his power, shakti, separately, prithak, separately, distinctly, differently, na likhyate jivitam. His biography is not written separately. Therefore what? Your reflection you cannot count. Okay, you cannot say it is unreal. It is real you cannot say. Totally unreal also you cannot say. Seemingly real. like developing country. India is a developing country. Undeveloped you cannot say. So, developed also you cannot say. Therefore, we have to say what? Undeveloping country. So, world is seemingly real. Many people are disturbed. But world is unreal and they are very much disturbed. For those people's sake, what we say? World is real. Seemingly real. Okay, it is a lesser order of reality. Last class I have introduced Paramarthika Satyam, Vyavaharika Satyam, Pradibhasika Satyam and Tucham. The Vyavaharika Satyam is seemingly real. Our dream, a rope snake, all these are all comes under Mithya, like that Maya also appear but cannot be countable. So, next shloka will enter. Shaktyaadhikke jeevitam chetam vardhate tatra vruddhikrit na shaktih kim tu tat karyam yuddha krishyadikam tatha. Shaktyadi adhikye jeevitam vardhate. If you say chet, the Purva Pakshi says, how can you deny the Shakti? Because of Shakti only, because of that power only, person prosper in his life. Without Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Ichha Shakti, in three, what is their common? Shakti. So your Jnana Shakti, your knowledge power, your Kriya Shakti, activity power, Ichha Shakti, desiring power. In all this power is very important for a person to perform activities, so many things, and he grows and prosper so much. How can you deny that Maya Shakti? You are not giving importance to that Shakti at all. So, I want to give importance to that Maya. Purva Pakshi is telling. Maya is more in person in life because Maya power alone makes the person to prosper. How can you ignore the Maya Shakti? Because Shakti Adhikye. Adhikya means when it comes to manifest. Adhikya means dominant, predominant. Jeevitam vardhate. Tatra vruddhikrit. So it improves the person's caliber, performance, efficiency. It improves. Jeevitam vardhate. When the power is higher, his life also improves or prosper. Improves. How come you don't count this Shakti? Now Vidyaranya says, na Shakti, that is not Shakti because of which he is prospering. Because of Shakti he is not prospering. He is not improving. Shakti he karyam. Because of its activity, kintu, but. Utility, the Shakti's utility of improvement in his life, prosperity in his life, all these Shakti Shakti, all these utilities or benefits, all these are not the criterion for Maya to count. Okay, it cannot be countable because tat karyam yuddha krishyadikam tatha. That it's a karyam only, it's a manifestation only. The power is always in unmanifest form. Energy in motion is matter. Matter in not moving motion is called energy. Energy is useful or matter is useful? And matter only useful. Energy is not useful. That's why they say kinetic Honda. Kinetic enna theriyumo, its power has to manifest. Suppose a person says, I know yoga asanas and all, how to do, what are all asanas, he says so many things. But his health is not improved. What you are doing and how many hours you do yoga, and I won't do it all, but I know. The knowledge, the power, jnanam, shakti is there. Yoga, asana, jnana, shakti is there. But there is no improvement. So, asana, shakti, jnana irundhalum kuda, he is not benefited by that. Then what gives benefit to him? Practice, karyam. Yogasana, shakti, karyam. It has to be implemented. It has to be implemented. It has to be performed. It has to be activated. Shakti has to be activated. Activated shakti alone gives improvement, prosperity in one's life. Suppose I keep my shakti inside, power is inside. What is the use? Shakti is useful or Shakti karyam is useful? Shakti karyam is useful. Shakti, when implemented, power is useful, not unimplemented. Unactivated, inactivated power is not useful. Oh, Purapakshi, power is not, Shakti is not useful. But a Shakti which is implemented, activated, that is one useful. That is called karyam here. Karyam means, tat karyam means Shaktehe karyam. Shakti means potential power. Shakti means potential power. அவனுக்கு நிறைய சக்தி இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையோ? ஓகே, எப்படின்னா பொட்டென்ஷியலாக இருக்கு. When he does lot of work, we come to know his power. If he won't do any action, you cannot know. Either yuddham or agriculture. Yuddha krishyadi. Yuddha na war. The Raja has got lot of power. Army. How do you know? When some enemy comes and he fights and he win over, then only you come to know, Raja has got power. Otherwise, you do not know. Yuddha, then only Raja will prosper. Once he conquers, he gets the money, kingdoms, everything from other, and he prosper. So, his power, which is implemented in the war, is made him prosper, or unutilized power is made him prosper. Tell me. Utilized power. Power plant, they are fighting, for power plant. The power plant. Utilized power plant only brings the electricity. Unutilized power plant, no use. So you have to activate it. You have to activate it. Tat karyam, yuddham, or krishyadikam, even agriculture. Bhumi, the land, has got tremendous power, potential power to yield lot of grains. Yes, the land, earth has got a lot of power, yielding so many fruits, so many vegetables, so many grains. What type of land can yield? Suppose a farmer, without cultivating the land, without sowing the seed, without giving water, can he prosper? Can he get grains from that earth? What type of earth? That is, potential power is there. But the prosperity comes because of cultivation. sowing the seeds. Activity is required. Implementation, karyam, tat karyam, yuddha krishyadikam. Only example. Similarly, our strength also we do not know many times. When we come to do only, we come to know, appa, inakku ivvala shakti irukka. Sometimes our family members also wonder, oh, ungalku idu shakti irukane enakku theriyade ani solluvan. Once you implement only, husband start appreciating, nanna cook pandriyade enakku theriyave theriyade anna. You have not done previously. Today you have done, so he is appreciating your. See, anything for that matter. Is it not? That's what, this is logic. Logically you have to think. Potential power is never useful. Because of that potential power, unmanifest power, unimplemented power is not useful for prosperity or improvement or growth, anything. Similarly, a country has to grow also. Potential power is useful or implemented power is useful. Even manpower, manpower, you employ so many people. They all come and sit and go away. What production will come? Their power has to be implemented, activated. A person goes to office and sits in the chair and come back daily. Goes to office and come back. Who will give salary? Who will give salary? Nobody will give salary. He has to use his intellect. Lot of projects he has to finish. Otherwise, no salary, no job. வீட்டுக்கு போன்னு சொல்லுவான். ஸோ திஸ் பர்சன் எனக்கு நிறைய பவர் இருக்க, பொட்டன்ஷியலாக இருக்கு, நீங்கள் சேலரி கொடுங்கன்னா nobody will give salary. That's what is asking Vidyaranya. Oh Purapakshi, potential power is useless. You don't count that potential power. It's karyam only useful. That is what here. Na shaktihi. Shaktihi na potential power is not useful. Tatra na shaktihi vriddhi krita. Really power, potential power is not the vriddhi krita. It is not the cause for growth. Then what is the cause for growth? Tat karyam. Kintu, but tat karyam, shaktihi karyam, yuddha, krishya, adikam, and cooking. So many jobs, office job, any job for that matter. Adipadat. Adikam tadha. Next shloka we will read. Shloka number 54. Sorry, 53. Sarvatha Shaktri Matrasya Na Pruthak Ganana Kvachit Shakti Karyam Tu Naivasti Dvitiyam Shakyate Katham. Shakti matram Shakti matrasya Pruthak ganana kvachit na bhavati. Sarvatha, all the places, in all times, in all places. Shakti matrasya, the untapped power, the potential power. Shakti matramana, potential power alone. Na pruthak ganana, cannot be counted separately, kvachit, at any time. Shakti matrasya ganana na sarvadha pruthak ganana kvachit na. At any time. When you say, he says, Purapakshi, why can't we count the Shakti Karyam? Purapakshi, Shakti count Pandlami and Chonna. What we say, Shakti you cannot count. Shakti Karyam only helps the person to prosper, to grow. Now he comes with another question. Why can't we count Shakti Karyam? Activation of the power, implementation of that, adi count pannalame poni. See, he want to establish Dvaitam. Namma enna sonna agre Advayam Brahma eva asitani we want to establish. Before the creation there was only Brahman. Nothing is there. And we said Maya was there always with Brahman. Maya is Anadi like Brahman. Along with the Brahman and Channa, Appa Dvitiyam irkaname. Is that discussion is what? This Nyaya, Yoga, Sankhya, all Dvaita, Visishtadvaita, all philosophers, none of them accept the orders of realities. They give Satyatvam to Maya, Prakriti. How much Brahman is real, that much real Maya for them. That much real this Jagat also. It's not lesser order of reality for them. It is equal order of reality. That is why all of them, they commit a mistake. It is not Advayam Brahma. It is Vishishtadvaitam, part of Brahman. Maya is part of Brahman. Dvaiti says distinct from Brahman. Dvaita philosopher says. So they always want to say Advaitam Brahma chollakudadu. Brahman kuda pradhanam Maya Shakti irundunde irike anna. Appo nee Advaitam eppadi solla mudiyum? Non-dual Advaitam secondless. Appo Maya is always with Brahman. We say we cannot count that Maya. Why you cannot count? And the potential Shakti is as good as non-existent, useless. So the potential Shakti was not there. Potential Shakti was not there. Maya is always there with Brahman. In no time, Brahman is free from Maya. அப்படி இருக்கும்போது நீ எப்படி அத்வயம் பிரம்மான்னு சொல்லு? அக்ரே ஆசீத் ஏகமேவ அத்விதீயம் இப்படி சொல்லலாமா? What our answer Vidyaranya says, that Maya is as good as non-existent. You cannot count it. It is mithya because it is unnegatable. It doesn't have the reality as like Brahman. It is less real than Brahman. Less real enna yen count panna kodadu. It cannot be countable. Snake appears. Your face appears in the mirror. Appear or not? Ipadana paathitu vandal class varum munnadi. Can you count? I have two faces, Swamini. It is useful that your reflected face is very useful. Reflected body, what you are seeing, you are decorating your face and everything you are doing is very, very, very useful. Appadinu solli Swamini enakku rendu thala irukku Swamini nu solluvela. Two heads are there I have. Otherwise, without that second head, how can I put bindi anna? In the Paityam, even though it appears, it has got utility. Even sunrise has got utility. When we are doing Surya Namaskar in the class, yoga class, all of you face eastern side, I say. All of you face turn eastern side to do Namaskara. Om Suryaya Namaha. Eastern side. So sunrise irka? Is there sunrise really? No. But for Sandhya Vandanam, Japa, everything, Surya Namaskara, everything we use sunrise as though. Then putting sunrise irkan solla mudiyuma enna? Daily I do Japa Swamini, Sandhya Vandanam, Surya Namaskar. Therefore sunrise illen eppadi solla mudiyum? Therefore count sunrise also. You cannot. Similarly, entire Jagat is useful, experienceable, but it is not countable. Very difficult. It is experienceable, it cannot be countable. Like a second thing, Brahman, inga Maya, Jagat, no. it is as good as non-existent. It appears, but it cannot be counted as a second thing. Then what is there now? World is there now. World is appearing now. Dream also appeared yesterday. Does it exist? Dream also appeared. Dream elephant, dream tiger. You have seen so many things. Can you say it is real? Similarly, your husband, your wife, son, daughter, vyavaharika, whole world is unreal. It is seemingly real, but not absolutely real. Just as you made your dream just like that false, Shastra makes this entire vyavaharika world false. Eppudu solla muduvadi? When can you say that dream is unreal? When you wake up. I hope you are all in waking state now. When you wake up only you can make the dream unreal. Not in dream. Similarly, as long as you are in Ajnana Swapnam, Atma Ajnana Swapnam, for you the world is real. As long as you are in Atma Ajnana Swapnam. And the Swapnathik enna karanam? Nidra. In the Vyavahara Swapnathik enna karanam? Ajnana. Maya Shakti. As long you are in Atma Ajnanam, you are overpowered by Maya Shakti. Anga Nidra Shakti nala Swapnam. Inka Maya Shakti overpowers you and you take this world is real. Very difficult to swallow. But when you understand that Brahman, just as you have woken up to falsify the dream, you have to wake up from this Maya Shakti by studying Panchadashi. There minutes it takes to wake up. Here decades. Maybe Janmas. Who knows? Who knows? If you are a sincere student, very easily you can. Therefore, you cannot count the world Nama Rupa separately. It is experienceable. The difference between Swapna Prapancha and Jagrata Prapancha is one difference. Once you wake up from the dream objects disappear. There is no experience of 1 crore lottery. Gone. But in Vyavahara, after Brahma Jnanam, thank God. Okay. After Brahma Jnanam, the Guru is available to teach. Illana Kanavula Madri, Ella dream tiger disappear, dream elephant disappear. Elephant tiger disappear and a Paravala Swamini. Dream lottery also, money also disappear. Not available for transaction. Whereas, when you wake up from this Maya Nidra and you get Atma Jnanam, this world is unreal, you know, and you enjoy the Rasagulla. It will not disappear. Okay, your husband will not disappear, your wife also does not disappear, children also will not disappear, your house also will not disappear, it continues. Of course, my students will continue every Thursday. Thank God. Vyavaharika prapancha mithyatva anantaramapi. Mithyatva nischaya anantaramapi labhyate. It is available for transaction. But Jnani transact with the world knowingly as though it is real. He knows it is unreal. But he does Vyavahara. Every Vyavahara Jnani does. Okay. The Guru, while teaching, knows the student name separately. Okay. Male, female, teacher knows. Jnana vandadhukku appuram papa avarku male, female theriyala. Appadella ayiduchunna pramadam. Adile danger. So after the rise of Atma Jnanam, in spite of the falsification of the world, this worldly vyavahara will not disturb the Jnani. He knows the distinction between male and female. And last class, what lesson, how many shlokas we have completed. This class, what we are going to take also, the teacher should know. Papa or Gnana, he knows vegetable, he knows what is avial, what is sambar, what is rasam, separately he knows. Thank God, that is the difference between Swapna and Jagrat. Adi mithya, ide mithya. Analum, Adi, it's not available for transaction. World is available for transaction. Why I am telling all this? People think after knowledge, nobody will remain. People think like that. That is wrong. Now, this sloka is very simple. Shakti matrasya na prathak ganana kvachit shakti karyam tu. Ada Purvapakshi. Okay, Shakti matram you cannot count. Why can't we count Shakti Karyam? If you say so, Dvitiyam eva na asti agre. Vidyaranya says to count before the creation. Before the creation, there was no Shakti at all which is manifesting. Before creation, Shakti was in unmanifest form or manifest form? Unmanifest form. Shakti matra ganana na kartum shakyate. Shakti karyam na manifestation of Shakti or implemented power of Shakti, activation power of Shakti can be countable. Activation power of Shakti after creation or before creation? After creation. That means before creation, gone. So you cannot count. Then what was there before creation? Only Brahman. Maya is there. Power, unmanifest power, cannot be countable. Maya Karyam was not there. Maya Karyam is what? Nama Rupa Prapancham. Srishti Purvam Nama Rupa Prapancham was not there. Shakti Karyam was not there. So Shakti cannot be countable. Shakti Karyam was not there. Then what to be counted? Dvitiyam or Advayam? Advayam Brahma. Agre Asid Ekameva Dvitiyam. Established. Over? Are you enjoying? Maya can never be countable. Shakti cannot be countable. Karyam was not there. Therefore, Srishte Purvam Agre Kim Asit? Brahma eva Asit. Srishti Anantaram Asti Kila. Count Pandlamana. You cannot count. Why? That is unreal. Unreal thing can you count? You cannot count. So in this shloka what he negated? Srishte Purvam Shakti Karyam Nasti. Before the creation, the power of Maya was not a manifestation in form. Therefore, you cannot count. So, count problem over. Next shloka we will read. Shloka number 54. Dvitiyam Katham Shakyate Naiva Asti. Purvam Maya Karyam was not there at all before creation. Puriyar the words ella. Okay. Shakti Karyam tu Naiva Asti. Shakti Karyam, the implemented power of Maya. Okay. Maya activity was not there. Naiva Asti. Dvitiyam Katham Shakyate. How can you count as two? Then what was there before creation? Brahman alone was there. Say, after creation, Maya count Pandlamana. You cannot. How much Maya occupying, you know? He says here, Na Krishnna. Okay. न कृष्ण ब्रह्मा वृत्तिः कृष्ण ब्रह्मा वृत्तिः सा शक्तिः किं त्वेकदेशभाक् शक्तिः किं त्वेकदेशभाक् घटशक्तिर्यथा भूमौ स्निग्धमृद्येव वर्तते. Now, Vidyaranya is putting a foundation, developing a subject in a particular manner. So, in future shlokas, Kaha, he is putting a background here that we have to understand. The essence of this shloka is the Maya power, even after that manifestation, creation when it is taking, that is only Brahman is occupying 1/4 only Maya is manifesting. Padosya vishva bhutani tripadasyamritam divi. Brahman is pervading all over, all pervading. Maya manifestation is only 1/4. That is Sagunam Brahma. Nirgunam Brahma is 3/4. Where Maya is manifesting in the Sagunam Brahma, Maya manifestation that Brahma, Nirgunam Brahma becomes Sagunam is only 1/4. So that you cannot count now. Nirgunam Brahma is of 3/4. Maya manifestation along with Brahman, Brahman using the Maya, or Maya is helping Brahman to produce creation where? Only at 1/4. But the whole bench is here. Suppose in the 1/4 of the bench only I occupy. What about 3/4 of bench? I am not occupying. So Maya occupying only 1/4 in this Brahmanda. What about 3/4? 3/4 is Nirgunam Brahman. What is 1/4? Sagunam Brahma. Why he is called Sagunam Brahma? He asks Maya, koncham vela pannu ani solrar adu. Idha 1/4 da ninga paakara 14 words, 7 bhuvanangal. Adula or earth, or dot. Purana, Vishnu Purana, all these are presented like circles. Okay. Brahman, you see, Panchabhutas are there. Concentric circles. And Bhumi first. Then comes next circle, Jalam, waters. Third circle, Ulla circle on the Bhumi. Outer circle to that is Jalam. 9/10, 9/10, 9/10 potinde pona. Appo third circle is Agni. Fourth circle is Vayu. Fifth circle is Akasha. Sixth circle is Maya. Seventh circle is Brahman. Okay, Brahman is pervading, all pervading. Adula the Bhumi, Akasha, Vayu, Agni are all very, very minute. It is not measurement. We cannot measure. You cannot measure Akasha. Can you measure Akasha? Akashane measure panna mudiyadu. Maya enga measure panna mudiyum. Maya which is depending upon Brahman, how can you measure? You cannot measure. We're a sample, just for imagination, for visualization. Purana visualize. இந்த சமுத்திரம் இருக்கு, அந்த சமுத்திரம் அப்புறம் இக்ஷு சமுத்திரம், க்ஷீர சமுத்திரம், இந்த சமுத்திரம் எல்லாம் சொல்லி சும்மா கதை. இந்த கதையெல்லாம் எதில் இருக்குன்னா 1/4 இருக்கு. Telescope, microscope, scientists, whatever they do research, in the reactors they are all sending to rockets, and the space ku idu ella enga nadakkuradhu theriyumo 1/4 lo nadakkuradhu. Whatever research you do, whatever invention they do, whatever knowledge you get, the entire knowledge which is possible only in 1/4. 1/4 only is available, 3/4 is not available. Why? Maya is not manifesting there. Maya is not manifesting. Maya is not there and sollakudadu. Why? Maya is always with Brahman. Brahman is all pervading. 3/4 lo Brahman irkar, Maya irkar. Aanalum only 1/4 la da Brahman வந்து மாயான்னு மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் பண்ண சொன்னார். புரியுறது? இப்போ நம்ம எங்கே இருக்கோம் தெரியுமோ? இந்த பாடி, நேம், ஃபார்ம், வேர் ஆர் தே? ஓன்லி இன் 1/4 சகுணம் பிரம்ம மாயா. டோன்ட் திங்க் இந்த சகுண நாம ரூபம்லாம் இருக்கும் போது யூ ஆர் நோயிங் ஓன்லி 1/4. இஃப் யூ நோ, சப்போஸ் ஈவன் பாரத நாடே ஃபுல்லாக சுத்த முடியாது ஒரு லைஃப் லாங். You cannot travel whole India, Kanyakumari to Kashmir, all the sides you cannot travel. If you want to travel, life is not sufficient. One India, what to talk of 7 continents and ocean. அதுக்குள்ள ஓஷன் வந்து எர்த்து பார்த்தா மைண்ட் பாக்லிங். See, on earth 1/4 only beings, 3/4 is water. Like this earth, so many planets are there. In this, so many planets are in what? 1/4 of Brahmanda. And 1/4 only Maya is manifesting. What about 3/4? Infinite Brahman you cannot comprehend. Unfathomable Brahman இந்த நாம ரூபம்ல இருக்க. இது வச்சுண்டு அது புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். So that finally what we want to say, this nama rupa, in spite of nama rupa, it cannot touch the Brahman. Thank God. Okay. It is intrinsically with the Brahman. It is not real. It cannot afflict the Brahman. It cannot touch. Your reflecting face will come and touch you. என்ன கொஸ்டின் வார்? ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங் ஃபேஸ் ஸ்லோலி கம் அண்ட் டச் யூ. இட் கேன் நெவர் டச். இட் cannot afflict you. Similarly, Maya cannot touch Brahman, cannot afflict Brahman. Who is that Brahman? I am. This Nama Rupa Maya Shariram cannot touch. அப்படிப்பட்ட நான் இந்த ஹோல் பிரம்மாண்டத்துக்கே நான் சப்ஸ்ட்ராட்டமாக இருக்கேன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்காமலே இந்த 1/4 இந்த பிரம்மாண்டத்தில், இந்த பிளானட்ஸில், ஒரு எர்த்து பாகலில், ஒரு காண்டினென்ட்டில், ஒரு கண்ட்ரியில், அந்த கண்ட்ரியில், ஒரு ஸ்டேட்டில், அந்த ஒரு ஸ்டேட்டில், ஒரு சிட்டியில், ஒரு ஏரியாவில், ஒரு பில்டிங்கில் உட்கார்ந்து என்னமோ ப்ராப்ளம். யாருக்கப்பா ப்ராப்ளம்? Where is problem? All problems are just rolling in me, the substratum, the consciousness. இப்படிதான் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Who gives this knowledge? Parama Guru gives. How? Shastra says. Shastra dwara the Guru gives this knowledge. Otherwise you can never get. We are giving importance to this Maya Shariram, Namarupa, and worrying, is it necessary? He says, na krishnam brahma vrittihi. This entire universe, brahma vrittihi means, here vrittihi means vartate iti vrittihi. Sa shaktihi, that Maya power, ekadesha bhag, it occupies only ekadesham, 1/4. Ekadesha bhag sa shaktihi na krishnam brahma vrittihi. It is not occupying the entire Brahman to manifest. It is their entire Brahman, but Brahman says what? You manifest only in 1/4. 1/4 சம்பாதிக்க முடியல, ஹோல் மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் ஆனா என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? புரியுறத? அதுதான் சேஸ் கிருஷ்ணம் பிரம்மா விருத்திஹின்ன சா மாயா சக்திஹி. திஸ் மாயா பவர் is not manifesting. Potential power is there, but it is not activated totally. Eka amsha bhag. Ekadeshamanna oru pangu. Only one portion it is manifesting. Just as he says, Ghata Shaktir Yatha Bhumau Snigdha Mrudyeva Vartate. See, Ghata, earth is there, mud is there everywhere. And whole mud can become pot. Which mud can become pot? Only that mud which mixed with water. Snigdha Mrud. That mud where that clay which is mixed with water. Snigdha Mrud eva ghataha bhavitum shakyate. Natu sarvam prudhivi bhavitum na shakyate. Puriyarada? Even though earth, the clay is there, water is there, and the ocean sand, Marina Beach la sand kitta boy, tanni irika swamini, snigdha eva, paranta can I do pot? No. With the sand you cannot do. That is only one place it can be done, not entire mrit. That water when it is mixed only you can do. Similarly, the Maya water mixed with Brahman, only one place, 1/4. Now where we are, understand in this Brahmanda, thank that Brahman I am. If you say two ways, I am Brahman and entire universe is my glory, one portion is manifesting Nama Rupa, Vibhuti. Or you can take as a bhakta and you stand, I am an ordinary tiny human being in Mailapur, one place I am sitting. Ishvara, Brahmanam, you see as bhakta, you are in triangular format. If you are Brahman, if you take that side, like a Paramarthika Satyam Aham Brahmasmi, you can look at the word, it's my manifestation. Dasaha here, Swami there. You want to become a Swami or Dasa? You are already Swami. You have to recognize you are a Swami. Otherwise you are a Dasaha of that Brahman who is Nirgunam 3/4, Sagunam 1/4. Now your Ishvara whom you are worshipping is how much? 1/4. Rama, Krishna, Guruvayurappa, any Appa. All are only in 1/4 Nama Rupa. 3/4 is Nama Rupa Rahitam Brahma. That I am. And the 3/4 Naneda, in the 1/4 Naneda. Naneda la yenda da. Osiya or Siya? Osi. Very good. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.